This voltage pen has always been unreliable. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. A slight shake has usually got it working again. But I'm not always sure if there's voltage if the pen doesn't beep. Let's see if we can fix it. First, let's test how the pen operates with an external power source. Tape makes the testing more bearable. A long wire at the end of the pen keeps the pen beeping constantly. Bending doesn't affect it, so the circuit board and the solder joints are fine. So, let's test it with batteries. The batteries stay in place better during testing with a paper tube. The fault must be between the batteries and the metal clips. The power cuts out when you move the negative terminal of the battery, even though the battery is clearly in contact with the clip. Upon closer inspection, I noticed that the clip hits the insulation on the edge of the battery, so the device doesn't work properly with these batteries at least. This is an easy fix. Just bending the clip slightly so it doesn't hit the edge of the battery anymore is enough. Then the device works with all batteries. I've tried to figure out why the pen isn't working properly before, but the contact of the negative terminal doesn't show until the pen is opened. This voltage pen is a cheap Chinese copy. Cheap copies sometimes have these kinds of small mechanical problems that aren't easy to find. Most people throw away the cheap device and buy a new one, but it's also possible to repair them. Now the device works reliably. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.